The two-day scrutiny of the IEBC technology deployed during the general elections is complete, with the petitioners arguing that the Electoral Commission failed to comply with the orders of the court. The court has compelled IEBC to give them supervised access to all the servers at the National Tallying Centre for storing and transmitting voting information, and which are forensically imaged to capture a copy of the Form 34C. The petitioners also submitted that IEBC had deliberately frustrated the scrutiny exercise and intentionally caused delays to the process.
Has changed.
After a back and forth between the petitioners and the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission, the report on the scrutiny of the IEBC servers is out. The report, which has been provided to the 7 Supreme Court judges and the petitioners' lawyers, shows the compliance levels by IEBC following the orders issued by the court. On the first order compelling IEBC to provide copies of its technology system security policy, including password policy, password matrix, owners of system administration, system users and levels of access, workflow charts and any other API, the Commission provided all except copies of the owners of system administration password, which it says it poses grave security threat to administrators. On the second order, compelling IEBC to give the petitioners supervised access to any servers at the National Tallying Centre for storing and transmitting voting information, and which are forensically imaged to capture a copy of the Form 34C, which is the total votes cast, IEBC granted supervised access, demo of IEBC system architecture. However, the Electoral Commission failed to provide a forensically captured image of the server holding Form 34C to the petitioners, but availed it in court. The Electoral Commission complied fully with the order to provide the petitioners with certified copies of penetration tests conducted on the IEBC election technology system prior to and during the general election, including all reports prepared pursuant to Regulation 10 of the Election Technology Regulations and certified copies of certificates by a professional prepared pursuant to Regulation 10 of the Election Technology Regulations. On the last order, directing IEBC to avail partnership agreements with its technical partners, list of users, trail and admin access to provide clarity on the IEBC systems and their usage for review and verification, IEBC sealed contracts with different partners including Safaricom, Airtel, Telcom and Ostotec were filed in court. However, access and copies could not be given to petitioners and respondents due to non-disclosure